Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me it looks to be on the second page or right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. Now I do recommend doing that the first time around, just because it might not be set exactly the way you want to. So you can go through things like notifications, messages, calls, and so on, and choose who can message you, call you, what kind of apps can interrupt you, and so on. Additionally, you can also set up a schedule from here. So once you enable this right here, it will turn on and off automatically Monday through Friday, it looks like, at 11 p.m. till 5 a.m. So this is the default one that comes with the device, but you can also add your own ones. Choose each day of the week and time that it starts and ends at. And as long as this is enabled, Do Not Disturb mode will toggle itself on and off when it needs to. For everybody else that wants to use it manually, just make sure everything here is up to your standards, and from there you can tap on the toggle right over here to toggle it on whenever you want to use it. And once you're done with it, you can toggle it again or tap on it to turn it off. And this will disable it, obviously. So this is how you would use and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.